Hello everyone, welcome back to Lantu a Bike channel. If you're looking for an electric bike that can handle any terrain with ease, you might want to take a look at our new recumbent electric fat bike. With its dual 48-volt 20-ampere battery, this bike is designed to give you powerful and extended rides, no matter the conditions. One of the most notable features of this bike is its design. The recumbent position of the rider not only provides a comfortable and ergonomic ride, but also improves aerodynamics and reduces wind resistance. This means you can travel faster and further with less effort. The fat tires on this bike are another standout feature. With the added width and volume, they provide extra traction and stability, making it easier to ride on sand, snow, mud, or any rough terrain. But what really sets this bike apart is its dual 48-volt 20-ampere battery system. With two batteries working in tandem, you get twice the power and range compared to a single battery setup. This means you can ride longer and farther without worrying about running out of juice. The bike also comes with a powerful motor that can deliver up to 750 watts of power. This gives you plenty of speed and torque to climb hills or accelerate quickly. The motor is also quiet and efficient, so you can enjoy your ride without disturbing others or draining your battery too quickly. Other features of the bike include a comfortable padded seat, adjustable handlebars, and a bright LED headlight and taillight for safety. The bike is also easy to operate, with intuitive controls and a clear LCD display that shows your speed, battery level, distance, and other metrics. Overall, our new recumbent electric fat bike is a versatile and powerful bike that can handle any adventure you throw at it. Whether you want to ride on the beach, in the mountains, or around town, this bike is up for the challenge.